Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use face unlock and password pattern in Motorola phones. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and hit the like button for more videos. So let's start the video. First you have to go to the settings option in your smartphone, then go to the security and privacy. You can also search in search bar. Click on security and privacy, then swipe down. You can see there is a device unlock option, screen lock, fingerprint unlock. Then tap on it. You can see settings, this, and tap on fingerprint unlock. Use your own password to open it, and this interface will show. It shows that what you want to unlock. Fingerprint unlock like this. Watch, if you have watch, then set up watch to unlock your phone, and then fingerprint unlock. You can use your 3 fingers to, or you can add fingerprints by tapping on this, and you can delete also. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.